I'm so excited to share with you my Vitamix Ascent series blender. There are 4 different types of blenders that you can get in the Ascent series that all have the self-detect technology. And what that means is that the machine actually reads each container size and automatically adjusts the blending times. And I'm really happy that I decided to make the investment into my Ascent series blender. I've had a couple other ones over the years by Vitamix. I really love all of their blenders. I think that no matter which one you would choose, you would be happy with because you can make so many different types of foods in here. You can make ice cream, soups, smoothies, purees, just anything that you can imagine. You can pretty much make it in the Vitamix. And I really trust this brand. I think that they have great quality blenders. What came with mine is this larger 64-ounce container. And over time, I decided to also get the smaller 48-ounce container. I noticed that it is a little bit easier to use the smaller container size if I would want to make like peanut butter or salad dressing or maybe just a smoothie for one. I really like using the smaller container for that. My Ascent series blender has 3 programmable settings on the front. It has a smoothie setting, an ice cream setting, and also a hot soup setting. And it has a 1 to 10 speed dial, the on and off switch on the right, and also on the left, the pulse button. And it also has a built-in digital timer. And I would like to show you how to make 2 different things in here. One of them using the automatic programmable settings, and also one of them using the dial settings. I'd like to show you how I make my fresh homemade almond milk. I have not needed to buy milk at the store ever since I figured out how to make milk in my Vitamix. So here I have my raw almonds and pitted dried dates soaking in water overnight. And then I'll turn my machine on. And since this has the self-detect technology, it already can sense that I have the large 64-ounce container on top. And I'll just pour it in there. Turn it on and start it, and then I'm going to let this run for about 1 minute on speed 8. That off just so you don't have to watch the whole thing, but then all I had to do was press this button down to stop the machine. Turn the dial to off. Here you have fresh homemade almond milk, as healthy as it gets. And let me show you the pour on this. I'm going to pour it back into my container, and it's smooth, creamy milk without any lumps or bumps. No little flakes of the almonds, nothing. It's just smooth, creamy consistency. I don't believe I would be able to make this with any other kind of blender. I think it would be too chunky, and you definitely want a smooth consistency for any kind of milk. And I'll show you how to make a simple banana strawberry smoothie. You always want to start with your liquid ingredients first. Pour in my almond milk and a banana. And I'll put in some frozen strawberries and ice. Put the lid on. And for this one, I'm going to select the automatic smoothie setting. So I'll just turn the dial here, and it will automatically blend it to the perfect smoothie consistency. And with only about 40 seconds, we have a perfect smoothie that is completely smooth with no lumps or seeds. And we made this smoothie using the 48-ounce size container. And I really love the self-detect containers. I really like that they're so easy to clean. If you want to clean these, you could either put them in the top rack of your dishwasher, but I personally have never done that because it's so easy just to put some warm soapy water in it and blend it for about a minute, rinse it out, and then it's ready to use again. And if you would like to get this blender or any other blender in the Ascent series, I'll leave a link below for purchasing. Thanks for watching.